doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties. I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Today we are showing our smart dolls a little love. For those of you who are new to smart dolls, these are 24-inch dolls from Japan. I bought all of my smart dolls from the official smart doll website. I have 4 semi-real dolls that live with me, and my 2 anime dolls were adopted by my mother. I get a lot of their clothes from Elite Doll World on Etsy, and recently we started changing their eyes, different colors, with eyes from Doll of a Kind on Etsy. And I got new eyes as a little gift. Thank you so much. We have new glitter eyes and new metallic. I'm not great at eye placement, so if things are a little off center, I do apologize. This is the Smart Doll Genesis. I originally named them all after flowers, but I'm thinking we're gonna change their names today. After one of my favorite fandoms, Star Trek. We are now naming her after Philippa from Discovery, one of my favorite characters on that show. But they're not the characters, they're just named after them, so I have the artistic liberty to do whatever I want. Like give her a pastel wig. I got this from a Doll of a Kind a while back. These wigs are pretty thick, so if you like a full head of hair, these might be something for you. Now let's try those metallic eyes. To change the eyes, we do have to remove the wig, the doll's head, remove the top. You can see Putty holding the eyes in place. We're just going to remove that. Here is the eye she came with, and here is the Doll of a Kind metallic eye named Rose. Place the putty around the eye, then put it in place and use the putty to secure it. The eye placement is definitely a challenge for me. Let's try purple, paired with the purple dream wig. And if I only show one eye, you can't tell if I placed them wonky. But I'm kind of loving this look. If you know Philippa's character, she was not always the nicest, so I'm loving this vibe. We're gonna let her sit like this for a minute, or should we try the purple glitter prune? Yeah, let's try that. We went with a little side eye this time. That glitter is really sparkling. Glitter or metallic? I don't know which one. Let us know your vote in the comments down below. Here is Resilient. We are going to rename her 7. We could have gone with Beverly because, you know, she's got the red hair, but I just love 7 of 9. And I bought a new wig. This one is called Butter Swirl, and I'm excited to check it out. I also bought more realistic eyes in a smaller size. These are 14 millimeter. These are 16 millimeter. The smaller ones are going to allow us to see more white around the eye, so I want to try them out. Here are her eyes before, and here they are after. This definitely doesn't look like 7. She looks a little too sweet, but like I said, artistic liberties. Here is Reflection. We are renaming her Sydney LaForge. Let's try out those chocolate glitter eyes. I paired them with the Northern Lights wig. I'm loving the glitter. It picks up the light. Let's try one of the smaller eyes. Okay, wow. This is Nostalgia. I'm renaming her Luoxana Troy, Troy for short. We changed her eyes a few videos back. I'm going to change them again to this smaller pair. Okay, I'm a fan. I was going through my mail and found a letter from 2020. I am so sorry. I have a backlog. This is from Paula's Smart Dolls on Instagram. Please find enclosed some clothing and accessories I have made for your smart doll girls. Handmade goodies! Like you, I'm a big fan of Smart. I subscribe to your YouTube channel, and in particular, I love your crafty project for the larger scale dolls. I would love to see you create a diorama for a nightclub. Ooh, like a little dance area. Keep up the creativity. Love, Paula. P.S. I really hope your girls enjoy these items, and I would love a shout out. Paula. Alrighty then. We want to give a shout out to Paula. What's up? I haven't done one of those in a while. Ooh, we have a little halter top here. There's a label inside. It says Sweet Peas by Paula, Oxford. I love when Etsy shops have labels. It's a neutral top, perfect for summer. There's a gray one-shoulder top and a crocheted bag that can be worn as a crossbody bag. It's a pretty large bag. You can put a lot of smart doll stuff in it. Is this a little crocheted headband? That can also be a top. And it comes in red. And even if it's not a headband, I will totally use it as one. Here's a white halter top with a pink flower. And there is a loose fitted shirt, a white crocheted bag, and a beanie. Thank you so much, Paula. And I'm feeling crafty. I picked up this headband from the dollar store, or should I say headbands. I got 2 for $1.25. I thought they could make really cute little tube tops. They are a t-shirt material and nice and stretchy. I placed it around my doll with the seam facing out, and I moved it to the bottom. When I got it, it was in the center. I just kind of rolled it down until it was at the bottom. Pull it around the doll. I do a few stitches so I know where to sew. Remove it from the doll. Sew it with a sewing machine or a needle and thread. Trim off the excess. I ran a zigzag stitch over the edge. Turn it inside out for an easy dollar store tube top. We can make 2 tube tops out of 1 headband, or we can take the leftover fabric, cut 2 pieces that can fit around the doll's arm, move the seam to one end, fold it in half, keeping the good side on the inside, and sew a straight line going down to make 2 smaller tubes that we can turn inside out to make a top with sleeves. Here is Troy. I gave her the Cosmos wig, and I'm loving all the color. I have 1 more headband and a small piece from the other one. Make 2 more tubes, one as a top and the other as a bottom. Take the scrap from the other headband. Let's open it up. Fold it in half with the good side on the inside. Sew 2 curves on the sides. Trim off the excess. Flip it inside out. Take the tube for the bottom and we're going to flip it inside out. Then take the new piece and we're going to stitch it in the front going straight across and stitch it in the back straight across. Then flip it inside out to make bottoms. Since we already have 1 flat tube top, let's go ahead and pinch it in the center to make an easy bathing suit for the summer. Not Sydney matching her bathing suit to her hair color. And we just got 2 cute little looks for $1.25. Thank you for joining us while we showed our smart dolls a little love. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!